Introducing Dexter's DEX360 Smart Trailer System. The virtual odometer with DEX360 gives you notifications for certain maintenance milestones as you put miles on your trailer, allowing you to address maintenance and potential problems before they become issues. This groundbreaking solution gives drivers the peace of mind that their trailer is secure and operating safely. With Dexter leading the market space with advanced technologies and bringing automotive technologies to the trailer industry, DEX360 brings safety, security, innovation, and convenience to your trailer. From a virtual odometer and geofencing security with GPS tracking, to safety monitoring of crucial components like battery levels and tire pressure, Dexter is the first to market with a comprehensive automotive-style safety and security system for trailers. With DEX360, you will have the peace of mind that your trailer is safe and secure.